Here we are in front of Baby Box, which is the new $20,000 house from Boxable. We expect Boxable will be able to sell these to all 50 states. It's got kitchen, bathroom, sitting area, bed area.
Oh, hello. Where am I? I'm at Boxable, and I'm going to show you a Boxable you haven't seen before. The mission of the company is to solve the national housing crisis and ultimately the global housing crisis. So how do we do that? We do that with a huge breadth of product. You've seen our introductory product, the absolutely adorable 360 square foot casita. And I'm very proud to show you what the team has come up with to help solve the global housing crisis. And I have to say, that is the mission of the company. What does this look like from a bottom line point of view? With the caveat that everything I say may change because we still are in the R&D phase, but product development is happening very, very quickly, and we expect to see production in volume of Baby behind me, which I'm going to show you shortly. I am talking about offering, I hope, Boxable financing, and I think we're going to be somewhere between $199 and $399 a month for you to own your own home. For you to own your own home, and in not so many years either. We'll see how the details work out. I believe we're going to have 48-hour approval on the website, so if you have even just reasonable credit, you should be okay, and we can get you a Baby Boxable to live in. And the other nice thing about Baby Boxable is it does a lot of sort of magical things. You need no tools to unpack it, and one person can do it. And in fact, what we're hoping with our delivery program is that the driver can unpack it for you before they leave. How do we manage to do that? Well, when you come inside, it'll be like a Tardis. I don't know if any science fiction fans here, but the Tardis is bigger on the inside than it is on the outside. And although that may be a technical impossibility, I think we've come about as close as you can get in a product. So we'll see how many of these things we can get done. Things like home automation, automatic locks, automatic lighting, a lot of other innovative technical features to bring home living into really a modern world. So let's take a look inside. We took the casita floor plan and we bifurcated it twice. Kitchen, bathroom, living and sleeping areas. If you look around here, you're going to see the same thing. Into the living and the kitchen area for snacks. And then over here we have the couch and the showers. Really a great use of space, great ceiling height. Everything you see pretty much, apart from the knickknacks, is included. Lots and lots of drawers, fully organized, nice refrigerator, cooktop, oven, nice deep sink, really great. And then look at this closet. This is a built-in closet. Looks like someone's moved in already. I'm not sure who this is, but lots and lots of room for storage on the one side. Look at these glass doors. We haven't skimped at all. Absolutely great. Over here, we've got a nice breakfast nook. So you can hang out, you can sit down. It's actually much roomier than it looks. And one of the things with small living is that the space utilization is very, very bad. They waste core space. And you realize with our Boxable products, especially with our little baby here, there is no lost core space. Where you walk is also living space. Where we walk over here in the kitchen, on the one side is the kitchen, on the other side is the closet. You're using both sides of this aisle for functionality. It's not a dead corridor. The other part of design of small spaces is that they're not comfortable to hang out in. So behind me, I don't know how big this is, probably about 55 inches in a modest home that's completely pimped out, frankly, that you can relax with your significant other or by yourself and watch a nice 55-inch television. I don't know what this is. It's supposed to be Las Vegas Hangover 1, but apparently it's a Peloton ad. Oh, anyway, enough about that. So we'll swap places, and we'll come over here and we'll see. It's a pretty nice couch. So if you imagine that we were watching TV, you can hang out very comfortably. And one of the important things about couch design is that the depth of the couch itself is very, very important. That's what makes it comfortable. So I can sit very comfortable with my buddy, who will be sitting as far away from me as possible, or my girlfriend, which will be sitting as close to me as possible. And you may say, well, okay, well, where am I sleeping? Well, let me show you a 1-second bed unpack. So this is just a prototype. So I'll put these cushions over here, and I will in fact do the 1/1000. So 1/1000. And how about that? So you throw a duvet on here. We've actually had these come out together, or you can have just a single come out. You've got a very nice walkway to the bathroom. And again, it folds up incredibly easily. Back into a couch, you can't argue about that. So what's going on in here? Check this out. Look at this, acres of glass. Unbelievable high quality, relatively high ceilings. Can't touch it. I'm like over 6 foot and I can't touch the ceiling. So pretty cool. And then I come in here and I'll stand in here to describe this. So this is the Star Trek teleportation tube. Pretty epic. I could make myself disappear and come back. Energize. What the hell happened? I just disappeared there for a second. Not really sure what happened. But again, very, very nice. We got a moonroof up here. Look at that. You can take a shower and look at the clouds, or perhaps look at the starry night if it's not a cloudy night. And I'm a big guy. I'm a really big guy. And there is plenty of room here to have a shower. Nice sink, lots of storage, nice toilet. Pretty good. So if you look on the floor, we have nice wide plank decking, and so here it is. This is baby. We are rushing towards production. No restrictions in our ability to manufacture the product or you to find a solution for you and your loved ones. It does not come with the television, but it does come with the couch and everything you see here. The regular price will be probably in the $29,000 range, but the opening orders will come in about $19,500 or something in that region. A real home that you can own for $19,500 that unpacks in about an hour. And then when you outgrow it, you can pack this up and sell it to anybody around the country. So really a breakthrough product. And we have put in every luxury detail we can put in this. I do not have a timetable for you, but we've got a bunch of really super smart engineers. We've been working on this for a while and hope to bring it to you as soon as we can.